just got to open the door looking like this. Yep, with my bleach stained top, my Stray Kids.
Oh, great heavens!
Bleach stained top. In my pajamas, looking amazing, sweating because I've been hoovering or vacuuming, whichever you want. Oh my god, well that's just embarrassing. Yeah, this is pretty much how I look 24/7, as you guys already know. So that was fun. Also, it is the 16th of August. It is 11:18. I'm just cleaning the house. Oh my god, my anxiety is out of whack. I'm meeting my friends later on today, and I woke up being like, okay, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna roll. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna take footage today of all the nice stuff that we get up to and just like being cute and stuff. Why is my anxiety trying to kill me? Somebody riddle me that one, please. Yeah. My brain is like, don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. But I know that if I don't leave the house, I'm only gonna make things worse. So I'm gonna muster all my courage to get out the house and actually go, because yeah, in Thailand, I'm just gonna have to get up off my ass. There's gonna be there's no coddling, there's no saying no. I just have to do it. So I'm just gonna have to do it. But yeah. It is the 19th of August, 10:03 exactly. I am gonna go and get laser done on my face and on my back because I'm a sassy Sasquatch. Oh diva, don't diva, you see her. And I'm hairy AF. So I need to go and get my laser done. Running late as per usual, running out the house as per usual.
Huh?
I didn't film yesterday because I was feeling like an insane person, and it just turned out that my period's early, so that makes sense. Apart from that, I was on a creator call yesterday. On a roll, I'm a queen, I'm taking flight on my. That's pretty cool, I guess. Oh my god, I'm about to leave my keys. Oh, that would have been awkward. But yeah, laser. Let's go.